Most approaches to to gender in regard to economic rights really are associated with work and refer to financial inclusion, and they talk about women's individual entrepreneurship, etc. So it was really refreshing for me to meet the Tax Justice Network. And so the old macroeconomic approach, which really looks at growth as the factor for the GDP, is really not sustainable for the realization of women's economic rights, because this particular approach obliterates or negates, for example, the whole unpaid care system with which women are engaged with around the world on a daily basis. And so, and this unpaid care work really anchors the GDP, quite frankly, and increases it, but it is negated or not even reflected. And so the gender tax justice approach, which is really a focus on investment in the care sector and public services, and a transformation of economic policies that look at a redistribution of wealth and resources and tax justice for women in particular. And so the approach of the Tax Justice Network is really a progressive taxation system with a focus on universal social protection, which really speaks to the human rights of women in particular. And it's an emphasis on substantive gender, race, and socioeconomic justice and empowerment of women in a real way, in a sustainable way. And so I really was encouraged by the Tax Justice Network's publications and the kinds of shadow reports that they would give to us on the CDAW committee that really make a difference in terms of women's human rights.